I made a dish tonight that's from my culinary class, and it's called balsamic potatoes. It's really tasty. I already ate dinner, but I'm going to show you some pictures of it and give you a little description of what I did and how I did it. So I hope you enjoy it.